We're here in Wulinyuan. We're gonna go to Avatar Mountain, but it's raining. Can't do anything. I hope the rain stop for a while. But that's okay. If not, nothing we can do. Bailong Elevator. We're here at the bottom of Bailong Elevator. See it there. Oh, wow. That's the Bailong Elevator. We're not even halfway up. Eh? The Bailong Elevator is 326 meters tall. It is officially recognized by the Guinness World Record as the world's tallest outdoor elevator. The connection between the Avatar Mountain and the Bailong Elevator form from one of the most traveled experiences in China. Located in Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, part of Wulinyuan Scenic area in the Hunan Province. This combination blends an ancient natural wonder with a modern engineering feat. Today, taking the Bailong Elevator up to the Yuanjiajie area remains the definitive thrilling gateway for everyone looking to stand face to face with a real-life Pandora. They call it fascinating terrace. You saw a few monkey a while ago. So yung Avatar Mountain doon pala, no? Doon tayo. Where are you, monkey? Monkey, 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 where are you?
Biglang lumabas kanina ng dami eh.
Yeah.
Tapos biglang nawala, no? Ang bilis na wala. Nakuha mo yun?
Hindi nga eh. Oh. Ayan oh. Hindi ito mahal oh. Let's see.
Wala nang tayo makita.
Let's see. It will show up.
Biglang nag-ano eh, fog. Oh, yan.
Yeah.
Ayan o, bad eh. No? Patayin kay tayo.
Gorges.
Wawa naman.
Are you cold?
Esse equilíbrio é tão bem, né? A gente não conseguia ver as pessoas ali, agora a gente consegue ver bem.
Eu acho que chegaram no ponto desse, dar uma esperada, tipo...
Foggy. But I can tell it's really beautiful here. Look at that.
You can see, sa ano lang talaga may sa photos.
¿Ah? El spot bueno, Nini. Manda una. Bueno, tú te leas. Móvil, ¿no? Claro. A ver, aquí lo puedo poner mío, porque yo...
Wow. Magnifico.
Wow. Very nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you too.
Thank you.
Look at that. Woo. Look at that.
You together. Yeah, go. You want? No?
Wow.
Có 兩個人就買2對，咁啊跟住調轉一隻。係啊。喂。
声音是环保。
Yeah. Ayan oh. Mahal oh. Look at that.
50 meters na lang.
Oo nga. Ito, sabi.
Oo. Yung...
It's like this. This one, the husband. This one, higher one. This is wife. The bottom, 7 kids. 7. So this is one family stay here.
Guys. Oo. Yung binalak natin puntahan, di ba?
Sana from here, sakay tayo ng bus papunta sa Tiansi Mountain.
Oh.
Pero okay lang pala kasi masyadong mahaba para puntahan ng Tiansi Mountain.
Iyan dito.
Ano yun na?
Cherries.
Cherry.
Cherries? Ano na?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Wow. Yuanjiajie. Ito, green bus station. Ano?
Yan ba yung bus? O ba?
Ano na?
Ayan yata. Ayan eh. Ayan.
la souvenir, si you wanna buy. Ayan o, ma. Tingin ka. Galing ah.
Nakakuha, hindi tayo nakakuha doon sa unahan doon kanina.
Hindi, come on.